Hello everyone, my name is 𝐨𝐼𝐚𝐧, and today I will be sharing my first hackathon project. This hackathon was conducted by KSR Datavizon, where we had to analyze movie dataset from the year 2014 to 2024, and we had to provide actionable insights to the stakeholders. Let's dive into the report. The report is divided into three parts. The first part talks about the overview and key trends of the movie industry. As you can see, these are some of the KPIs given. We have total number of films, we have the total budget in crores and the total worldwide collection in crores. Then after that, we have the highest grossing film industries. And as you can see, Bollywood tops this list, followed by Tollywood and Kollywood. Now, we have average IMDb ratings by genre. And as you can see, almost all the genres have an equal split in the average IMDb ratings. Now, if you want to see the best month for launching or releasing a movie, that would be around December and January. And the reason for this might be because you have more number of holidays in December and January. And you can also see the top performing languages by worldwide collection. Again, it's dominated by Hindi with a worldwide collection of 38,000 crores. Then it's followed by Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, and Kannada. If you want to see the annual movie releases by year, you can see that at the year 2022 we had 18 number of movie launches, whereas in the year of 2020 and 21 we have less number of movie releases. The reason for this could be because of COVID. If you want to see uh, if you want to see this report based on specific language, you have filters here for languages, for directors and genre. So if I go and check for Tamil, you can see the months where Tamil movies are highly popular, like October, January, and September. And you can see the annual movie releases by year. Tamil movies were highly released in 2018. And yes, we have other filters like directors and genres. So this was about the general report. The second report talks about film specific insights. Here, the first graph talks about lead actors, actresses with high performing films. We have taken worldwide collection as a metrics to see high performing films. The actors with the high worldwide collections are Prabhas, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, and so on. This shows that actors like Prabhas, Salman Khan, and Shah Rukh Khan have a huge contribution to the worldwide box office collection. The second graph talks about lead actor performance based on IMDb ratings and worldwide box office collection. On the y axis, we have IMDb ratings, and the size of the bubble chart depends on the worldwide box office collection. Here, Amir Khan and Akshay Kumar has a balance between critical and commercial success. Their movies have high IMDb ratings and a substantial box office collections. This indicates a good balance of critical acclaim and commercial success, whereas Salman Khan movies are more focused on commercial success. They may have low IMDb ratings compared to other actors, but they have achieved a significant box office success. The third graph is about top 5 OTT platform, and here you can see the darker color and the bigger size. The bigger slice belongs to Amazon with a 65% market share, followed by Netflix with a 16%, and then Disney Hotstar, then Z5, and then we have Sun NXT. Then we have the top 10 films by worldwide collection, which is topped by Dangal, then Bahubali, then we have RRR. Then you can find this graph on opening day overachievers. Here you'll find movies which had much bigger opening days compared to their worldwide earnings. You can see movies like Maharaja here. The dots here that have red in color are the top grossers, whereas the dots here which are green color are the low grosser movies. Then we have the directors with the most box office hits. It's dominated by Rohit Shetty with a count of 5 movie hits. Then the second place is shared by all these directors, and then these are the third places. The third report will do in-depth analysis and relationship of different industries, movies, IMDb ratings, and collections. The first graph talks about the film industry overview. Here we'll be comparing different film industries based on their worldwide collections, the budget in crores, the total number of movies, and the IMDb ratings. In the second graph, I have used a scatter plot to check the relationship between film budgets and their worldwide collections. There shows a positive correlation between film budgets and worldwide collection. What it means is that films with higher budgets tend to generate more revenue. But there are also some outliers. These are movies who may have underperformed or outperformed their budget. Another way of representing the same is using a bubble chart. In this bubble chart, you can see there is again a positive correlation. Movies like Bollywood here has some films collecting over 2000 crores worldwide, even with a budget of 100 to 200 crores. Then we have the impact of IMDb ratings on box office success. It shows here that IMDb has a very little role to impact the box office success. There are movies with low IMDb ratings, but they have good box office success. And there are very most of the movies with a good IMDb ratings do not have a very good box office success. Then we have a table to see which factors contribute the most to overseas collection. As you can see in genre, action is repeated so many times. So action can be one of the reason to gain overseas collection. And after action, there is drama, and then you can find comedy. There are actors that influence or there are actors that are factors to overseas collection. Actors like Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan play a huge role in overseas collections. And finally, we have some key findings. We can see that Amazon Prime Video dominated in terms of market share, and it also has the highest revenue. And in terms of ratings and revenue, high ratings doesn't always guarantee high box office success. And some industry highlights is Bollywood leads in revenue, Tollywood leads in high budget films. And budget impact. Normally, movies with higher budget generally try to earn higher collections. And then when movies have actors like Shah Rukh Khan and Prabhas featuring in them, they tend to gain international attention, and they also have a huge fan base, which can lead into huge number of box office collection. And the timings of a movie matters the most. Like if you release a movie during holiday season or weekends on Friday, it tends to perform significantly better in terms of its commercial success. That's it for today. I like to thank KSR Datavizon for giving this opportunity. This was my first hackathon where I could showcase my presentation and Power BI skills, and I would look forward to join more hackathons in the future. Thank you.